These are the B-post quarter panels for the Austin Healey BJ7 3000 series. They are sold as a pair. They are cut on hardwood on our CNC machine. They feature the fixing holes. We've uncovered a couple here for the purposes of the video. Also some other relevant holes for trimming into the car. I believe that's for the hood frame possibly. They also feature the metalwork on this leading edge here, so you can see this panel here behind here is metal. So it's all riveted together after being cut on our CNC machine, and they are foamed up as well, so there's a foam padding under here. Then they're sewn like so along here, and then they're trimmed. They're quite labour intensive, these panels, one of the most labour intensive. So you get a pair of them like that. Commonly they're supplied in vinyl material. These have actually just been done in leather at the request of a customer over in America. And this is actually a smooth style finish on the leather, so it's a bit of a more natural graining to it. Slightly more expensive, but it does look lovely. So you get a pair of those. This is effectively the left-hand panel. So this, if I put that down so you can see better, that's the front of the car there, back of the car, top, floor there. So you get a pair of those, very nicely trimmed up. Always look for the stamp of approval.